Alright, what's going on, guys? This is DJ coming at you with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to make it so your audio from your gaming capture card is being captured on TikTok live. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to audio mixer, and then you have to go up to the microphone settings instead of going down to the audio settings. This is the most important thing, because when you go down here to audio and then try to add something, your source is not going to appear. And even if it does, and you try to do a workaround with the Elgato sound capture, if you have one, or try to use any of these other sources, it doesn't work properly. So the workaround is, instead of going audio, you go to microphone, you go to add, and go down to your capture card. Mine's is the digital audio interface Elgato HD 60 Plus. And this is the interface right here. So you just click on it. The settings should be good. If you want to make adjustments, you can, but 100%, and then just hit add. And that's it. You should be good to go. This is a problem that a lot of people have had. The thing that sucks about it is when you do it this way, you can't monitor both of your audios on different tracks. They all show up under the microphone, obviously, in this area. And then on top of that, you can't record separately. So hopefully they come out with an alternative for this, but this will have to do for now. Okay, if you guys enjoyed the content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.